Hey guys, it's day 6 of keto right now, and I need to tell you something. I haven't lost any weight, and I'm upset, so I guess I'm gonna give up. Just kidding, I'm not. So I've been researching and looking up stuff. A lot of people say, you're eating too many calories, and I know that's not true because I am eating the proper amount of calories. My weight has been exactly the same. So I'm definitely eating enough calories to maintain. Maybe I should knock it down a little bit, but I know that today I'm gonna make this an OMAD day with keto, maybe even just like intermittent fasting, because I've been eating from like the early morning all the way till late at night, so maybe that could be what it is. So today I'm gonna try intermittent fasting with keto and see how that affects me for tomorrow. I might even have to go like an extra day just because I'm making this change and see if I'm really gonna lose weight. Keto is honestly, it's just another diet. It all comes down to calories. It all comes down to insulin. It all comes down to the times that you're eating and making sure you're not eating late at night or not eating too early in the morning. And I'm really realizing that now with keto, that it's just another diet. It's not some magical thing that you're gonna try and then it's gonna do some crazy wonderful things to you. It's just another diet. Today I'm probably not gonna eat until maybe about 6, and then right now I'm just having some detox just to have it. It's the day detox. Gives you a little energy. Didn't put any sugar in it. It tastes disgusting. It increases energy, burns fat, boosts immune system, and this is what it is. And I just had a little cup of that. And then I will see you when I'm ready to the pièce de résistance. Some cheese. Throw this on my meal right now. Boom.
No. Just relax. Just chill. Just chill, okay? Just chill. Just chill. Just chill, Fawn. Honey Bear, just relax. Thank you.
Hey guys, so I just finished my one meal for the day. It is about to be 2. I had it really early, but it's okay. I don't mind. So today I was trying to make these tortillas and I found a recipe. I'll link the video to the recipe, but after what I'm about to tell you, you might not want to use the recipe because I feel like after I ate the tortillas, which turned into scrambled eggs because it did not work out in my nonstick pans, sadly. I got a kind of rash, I want to say, around my lips over here, and it's not because my dog's licking me. She hasn't licked me all day. Haven't hung out with her all day, and I don't know, I got this weird rash here and it was itchy, and then I washed my face, and then I realized as I was eating my one meal that my throat kind of felt itchy too, and I don't know exactly what I was eating today that caused that. I ate cheese, which I've eaten before. I had my green smoothie, and then I had those eggs, so I don't know if it was something about the almond flour but I've had almond flour before, so I don't know if it's that or just the fact that it was like undercooked almond flour, properly cooked eggs. That could have been the problem. I don't know what happened. So I don't know. After that, I don't know if I want to continue because something that I'm eating and I can't, because I'm eating so many new things, I can't pinpoint exactly, stop it. I can't pinpoint exactly what it is that has caused that, so I don't know what to do. I don't know if I'm gonna continue this for tomorrow. I finished my meal though, and I was kind of freaking out. I might take a Benadryl. Actually, I'm going to take a Benadryl because I'm allergic to something, and it doesn't matter how healthy a meal is. It doesn't matter how healthy something is. If you have an allergy to it, it's not healthy for you. Like apples. I have an allergy to apples. I can't eat apples, even though they have all these vitamins, so good for you. Everybody raves about avocados, how healthy they are, the healthy fats, blah, blah, blah. I'm allergic to avocados, so I can't eat it. So, I feel like that's an important thing to mention. So I'm signing out for today. I got some things going on. Some house projects that I'm gonna be doing. Oh, okay, are we signing out, girl? Okay, we're signing out. I'll show you my macros for today. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video so other people can see my keto journey. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life. Bye, guys.